Okay, here we go. Delivering Elizabeth's new car to her while she's at church. There's the old. She's gonna come out those front doors. Hopefully the Cadillac will be parked in that spot. We're waiting on the tow truck. And there's the new. We've got a red ribbon in the back, ready to slap on the hood. Just waiting on the tow truck. And there's the nice guys from the Cadillac dealership that's going to help us out.
You're one cool guy, you know that?
And Mr. Flores, Juan is in on this deal. He's our eyes on the inside. Bye-bye Suburban. And there it goes. Bye-bye Suburban. And here comes the new one. Right at the front door. Okay, let's get Elizabeth out here to take a look at her new car. Where's your car? Didn't you park right there?
Is that my car? I'm like, oh, I gotta go.
Elizabeth, how we doing?
Is this fine?
Congratulations. Good to see you again.
I saw them pull that car in. I was standing out there and I go, oh, that guy's driving my car that I want. I just said that to someone in there. And then I turned and I said, why is there a bow on that car? And I was like, oh no. Are you serious? I'm sitting at church and he's doing this to me. Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Try it out.
Take a look.
Oh my gosh, how did you open this thing? It's so pretty. Oh, it has 11 in it. Is it unlocked?
Sure is.
Oh my gosh. Johnny.
I'm afraid Johnny already knows, hon.
Sick, isn't he?
Yes, he is. I thought he was broken down the side of the road somewhere. No. Let's see. It's pretty. This is the one I wanted too.
It's beautiful, man.
This is the one I wanted. Oh, it has the sunroof and everything.
Yeah. Why don't you just put your foot on the brake? Hit the start button. Start right
What?
away.
I can't believe he did this. Oh my gosh. What did I push?
Just hit the start button right there on the right.
Start button
See it?
on the right. No.
Right there.
Oh. Oh.
There you go.
How nice is this? Oh my gosh. I gotta end up crying over it all over.
Steve, get a picture.
I love this car. I can't believe it. I saw you driving the car and I thought, oh, that guy's got my car. I even said that.
Over here, though.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you did this.
I told him to keep an eye on you while you were in church.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I don't even know what to do. There's so many things to look at.
I told him, of course, too, you can enjoy it for the weekend and bring it in sometime next week, and I'll show you how to work everything in there,
All
okay?
right. I can't believe you did this. All right. You're gonna come here and kiss me. I'm gonna start crying. For all these people. I can't even cry because I got glasses. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. How do I turn it off?
Same thing. Just press the stop button. There you go.
So cool. Oh my gosh. I like this car.
It's a nice one.
You got your new car? Apparently I do. Wow. That's why Joe was coming to church today. He told me it was broken down on the side of the road. I'm like, oh my gosh. I gotta go. And he just now started the sermon. I'm like, oh my gosh. What kind of car is it?